Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Whop to PayPal. So all you have to do is head over to whop.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Dashboard. Then next is click on Payouts. So this Whop payment section is for credit cards, and what we're going to do is click on Additional Payment Methods. So from here, we can see set up PayPal to accept PayPal payments. So all you have to do is click on set up. Proceed by clicking on next. So start connecting PayPal account by entering your email and country or region. So once you're logged in, you will be asked how do you want to continue, if you want to connect PayPal business account to Whoop, or if you want to connect your personal account. So in this case, let's just choose connect personal account, then click on next. Just grant access permissions by clicking on allow. And just by that, we're all set. We're now ready to take payments on website with PayPal account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!